Work out the radius of a circle, given that if its radius is increased by 3 centimeters, the area of the new circle will be 4 times the original area. Well, in this problem, it's necessary that we know the formula for the area of a circle. It's pi times r squared. R is the radius. So we have an equality here. We have to translate. It's better if we choose the second circle to start this equality, I think, because this area, the area of the new circle, it's very important that we put this radius in brackets. It's an expression. This area is going to be 4 times the area of the original circle, that is pi r squared. Now we have to operate this expression, expand this expression, multiplying by itself, or if we know the formula, this is the first term square plus 2 times the 2 terms, so 6r, and plus the second one square, that it's 9. And the other side, it stays the same. Now, before we go on with this equation, it's a good moment to simplify because every term is multiplied by pi. So if we divide in both sides by the number pi, we're going to get a simple expression with r squared 6r plus 9 and 4 times r squared in the other side. Now we leave 0 in the right and we get minus 3r squared plus 6r plus 9. It's very important that we simplify this, but it's not the same thing. It's useful, but if we don't notice that, it's not very important for the result. If we simplify by 3, we would get this equation that leads us to the same result. But let's pretend that we don't know this step, and we can go on with this quadratic equation. We know the formula, that it's minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So r is going to be minus 6 plus minus the square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12 times 9 is plus 108 over 2 times this is minus 6. In the next step, we add these numbers, we get 144, and if we do the square root, we get 12. So it would be minus 6 plus minus 12 over minus 6. Then we have to do both solutions. One for the plus sign, r1 would be minus 6 plus 12 over minus 6. And if we do this, we get to minus 1. That is a useless solution. It has no sense here for the length. And the second one would be minus 6 minus 12 over minus 6. And we get positive 3. That is the right solution. So for this case, r would be 3 centimeters.